Let's face it, life is hectic. We juggle jobs, families, and social lives. Finding time for a workout can feel impossible. But what if I told you that you could get an amazing workout in just 14 minutes? You can. You don't need hours at the gym to see results. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is the perfect solution for busy people who want to get fit fast. HIIT alternates between short bursts of intense exercise and brief recovery periods. This type of training is incredibly effective for burning calories and boosting your metabolism. And the best part? You can do it anywhere, anytime, with no equipment needed. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, HIIT can be adapted to your fitness level. It's all about pushing yourself to your limit during those intense intervals, and then allowing yourself to recover. This approach keeps your heart rate elevated, torches calories, and helps you build lean muscle. So, are you ready to ditch the excuses and embrace a workout that fits into your busy schedule? In the next section, we'll dive into the exciting world of burning 300 calories in just 14 minutes. You heard that right! Burning 300 calories in 14 minutes might sound too good to be true, but it's absolutely achievable with the power of HIIT. Remember, the key here is intensity. We're talking about pushing yourself out of your comfort zone and really giving it your all during those work intervals. Now, the exact number of calories you burn will vary depending on factors like your weight, fitness level, and metabolism. But numerous studies have shown that HIIT workouts can burn a significant number of calories in a short amount of time. So while 300 calories is a good target, what matters most is that you are challenging yourself and working hard. In the next section, we're going to break down a sample 14-minute HIIT workout that will have you sweating, burning calories, and feeling fantastic. Get ready to unleash your inner athlete and experience the incredible results of high-intensity training. Get ready to sweat. This 14-minute HIIT workout will target all your major muscle groups, sending your calorie burn through the roof. We'll be cycling through 6 exercises, each performed for 40 seconds, followed by a 20-second rest. Round 1, jumping jacks for 40 seconds on, 20 seconds rest. High knees for 40 seconds on, 20 seconds rest. Burpees for 40 seconds on, 20 seconds rest. Round 2, mountain climbers for 40 seconds on, 20 seconds rest. Jump squats for 40 seconds on, 20 seconds rest. Plank for 40 seconds on, 20 seconds rest. Remember, proper form is crucial for preventing injuries. If you're new to these exercises, start slowly and focus on technique. As you get stronger, you can increase your speed and intensity. Section 4, Beyond the Burn, the benefits of HIIT. Burning calories is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the benefits of HIIT. This type of training offers a wide range of advantages both physically and mentally. Boosted metabolism. HIIT keeps your metabolism elevated even after you finish your workout. This means you'll continue to burn calories long after you've cooled down. Improved cardiovascular health. HIIT is like a supercharge for your heart. It strengthens your heart muscle and improves your body's ability to utilize oxygen. Increased muscle mass. While cardio is often associated with weight loss, HIIT can help you build lean muscle, which further boosts your metabolism and gives you a toned physique. Time efficient. Perfect for our busy lives, HIIT workouts can be completed in a fraction of the time of traditional cardio. Mental toughness. HIIT challenges you mentally and physically. Pushing through those intense intervals builds grit and determination. These are just a few of the incredible benefits of incorporating HIIT into your fitness routine. Ready to see for yourself? Section 5. Real people, real results. HIIT success stories. Don't just take my word for it. Countless individuals have transformed their bodies and their lives with the power of HIIT. I used to dread working out, but HIIT changed everything. It's quick, effective, and I can feel the difference in my energy levels and my body. Sarah M. As a busy dad of 3, I never thought I'd have time to get in shape. But HIIT workouts fit perfectly into my schedule, and I've lost weight and gained muscle. John D. I've always struggled with my weight, but HIIT helped me break through a plateau and finally achieve my fitness goals. I feel stronger and more confident than ever. Maria S. These are just a few examples of the incredible transformations happening every day thanks to HIIT. Remember, everyone's journey is unique, and the key is to find what works best for you. Section 6. Consistency is key making this routine work for you. Congratulations on taking the first step towards a fitter, healthier you. Remember, this 14-minute HIIT workout is just a starting point. The key to success is consistency and listening to your body. Start by incorporating this workout into your routine 2 to 3 times per week. As you get stronger, you can increase the frequency, duration, or intensity of your workouts. And don't forget to fuel your body with nutritious foods and prioritize rest and recovery. Now go out there, crush your workouts, and embrace the amazing transformation that awaits you. You've got this!